After having suffered a stroke 7 years ago, I went to Care and Repair, and they told me one of the things that will help you to recover is to take up something new. So I thought I might take up IT lessons. So I went out and bought a laptop, and from that time I've never looked back.
We meet here every Thursday in an informal setting, hence the cafe situation, because there was a niche for non-accredited, sort of non-formal learning, especially with this age group, that they like to actually meet you, have a chat, have a cuppa, share the world's problems together and do a bit of learning as well at the same time.
Everything about college is no-go for me, because I just like to have fellow comrades who are all trying to do the same thing and we can all help each other. Whereas I think in college there might be a bit of competition between people, and that's the last thing I need. I need encouragement, not competition. When you get older, you become a bit lonely, and this cures all that. And I love the people that I meet and the way they encourage me to do things. If I say no, I can't do that, they say, well, you haven't tried.
It's improved his social life immensely. He's made friends, he's more confident, he's got far better communication skills. Keeps him up to date and in touch with the modern world. Come
on in and learn on a laptop and increase your knowledge and improve your lives.
Bernard, I'm immensely proud of you. Obviously you deserve this award. Please keep coming to class, please keep learning, and please keep entertaining us every week, and thank you.
Really, everything is down to the encouragement that I've received in class, and particularly the way the tutor Helen has guided me through all aspects of IT. And now I can do things that I never thought I'd ever be able to do.